Don't go! You hit my car!
Did I hit it? There is obviously still a distance.
If I hadn't called you, you would have hit it.
Even if you don't shout, I can't hit your car.
Ouch! Look at you! Just brag!
Driving is a skill. You can do this if you learn.
Then you teach me! I often get scratched when I drive.
Okay, then I'll teach you 3 tricks. First, the left side of the steering wheel is where the left wheel is. Chalk it out. The knuckle in the middle of the wiper is the position of the right wheel. Chalk it out. So when you pull over, as long as the marked position coincides with the side of the road, slowly return the steering wheel. At this time, the distance is 30 centimeters. When over limit wide pier, as long as the left side of the steering wheel coincides with the edge of the width limiting pier, drive straight ahead to pass safely. Secondly, it is to master the limit distance of the front of the car. This is to make good use of the parts on the car. When parking, when the taillight of the car next to you coincides with the lower right corner of the glass, at this point the steering wheel is full. You can safely back into the parking space. Finally, when turning the corner is the curb ahead. When the hood and curb meet, 1 meter away. As long as the steering wheel is full, it's safe to pass. How about it? Isn't it very simple? I'm Brother Che. Follow me to learn more car knowledge.